It's dark in here. Oh. What's that?
What's what?
That.
What?
That.
Oh, that. That's me.
What?
My stomach's growling. It's been growling all day.
Now, Lucy, you know darn well you're not making that noise. It sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Where's it coming from?
Oh, that sound. Oh, Ethel must be cleaning her rugs. All right, Ethel, break it up down there. That's all. There, I guess she's finished. Oops, not quite. Ricky?
What?
Kiss me.
After I see what's at the end of this court, all right?
You better kiss me now if you're ever going to.
Lucy, what is this?
Oh, darn, you found your Christmas present.
The handy-dandy vacuum cleaner. Oh, no, Lucy, you didn't.
Yeah, I sort of did, I guess.
Okay, come on. Call the man, tell him to take it back.
No.
Come on.
You'll be sorry.
Why?
Because you'll probably sell me a handy-dandy bulldozer.
Never mind.
Ricky, really, he does sell other things, and you know how I am.
Yes, I know only too well. Now, look, you're going to call him back, and you're going to get rid of that vacuum cleaner, and you're going to get your money back. Understand?
Oh, yes. Good afternoon, madam. Are you the lady of the house?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? Madam, that $10 bill, that sawbuck, that 1/10 of a C note is all yours if my handy-dandy vacuum cleaner fails to clean up that mess in 2 minutes flat.
You mean this $10 is mine if you don't pick up all that dirt in 2 minutes flat?
That's right. Let's see now. Here we are. That's funny. I can't imagine why it doesn't work.
I can. The electricity's turned off.
What?
We didn't pay our bill.
Oh, no. Why didn't you tell me?
You didn't ask me.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry I made such a mess on your floor. I don't know how you're going to clean it up.
I do.